my name is Ardd James and I am a second year apprentice here at the National Botanic Garden of Wales. So I'm here today to show you some of my favourite autumn colours in the walled garden. So we're starting here with the Hornbeam Circle. It's one of my favourite spots in the walled garden. It's still holding on to its leaves really well, but I really love the rusty yellow colours. So another favourite of mine is the Fcalis, and it is a real good autumn favourite in the walled garden. You can actually use these to decorate various desserts, such as cheesecake if you wanted to, and I can show you a bit closer with the fruit. So the last thing I'd like to show you here in the walled garden is the Elschultzia. It's still got these wonderful white candelabra type flowers, and it is still absolutely packed with pollinators, which is really beneficial for this time of year. So I have to admit it is a little bit strange to have a global pandemic in the middle of my apprenticeship. However, it hasn't affected my studies and it hasn't affected me working here at the garden because everything's open, spaced out, and I'm working outdoors. So I've really enjoyed it, and I'm really looking forward to the next 10 months here.